king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so on a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Only with king.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Berlin. On this video today, I am going to be doing a quick lock style tutorial. So what you'll need for this video is, of course, your mist spray bottle. I am going to be using a little bit of a gel down my edges and also a very soft hairbrush. Okay. Also, if you have a scrunchie, you can use that as well. All the items that I am using, I will link them down below in the description. So the first thing you want to do is part a bang. So I'm parting a bang. I'm just going to two-strand this to get it out of the way. And then the rest of your hair, let me spray my mist spray bottle. I have a little bit of eucalyptus essential oil in here. Smells so good. And then, of course, I'm gonna oil my scalp. So you can either do a high ponytail or a low ponytail. I'm gonna go with the higher ponytail. Just use a little bit of product, not too much, just a small amount, just to smooth out those edges. The brush is soft, so it's not gonna harm your locks. Let me glimpse in the mirror just to make sure I have the ponytail where I want it to be. This is the part I don't like, is pulling the ponytail through. That's why sometimes I use like my pipe cleaner for my ponytail holder, but I couldn't find any. I know I have a container somewhere around here, but this will have to do. Okay. Okay. And then with your bang, what you're gonna do is kind of like, you can determine where exactly you want your bang to fall. I like mine to be a little bit lower, about right here. And then the hair, you're gonna just take it and wrap it. Wrap and then tuck. What do you guys think? It took less than 5 minutes to do this style. So I definitely hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, if you like this hairstyle, let me know where you would wear this style and how would you rate this? A 1 out of a 10. 5 minutes and you can wear this style anywhere. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share.